In front of me is Samsung Tab Active4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Advanced Features. Then scroll all the way down and click on Dual Messenger. Now click on one of those switchers next to one of those apps to clone the chosen one, and hit Install. As you can see, when I go back and check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, go back to the same settings and tap on Now Blue switcher. Then hit Uninstall. If you want to use a separate contact list, click on this switcher next to it. If you don't, tap on the same one and choose OK in Use Your Regular Contacts pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!